Bro, I think you should pray that there is water.
Okay, you should go low. And then you should take beer and all.
No.
Don't lie, don't lie.
No, never.
But you all can deter them, no?
Never. We don't drink only, bro.
No, bro. Oh, you all do this.
How you solving the bar?
Which bus? You don't know who I am. I'm Spider-Man, bro. I know.
So hot.
It's very hot, no?
Yeah.
I told you all.
Leland, you're coming in the vlog, bro. It's so cool.
Just put my
Now you come on YouTube.
Just put my
You know how
Insta
many
user.
subscribers he has?
Anything.
200K.
Anything.
Wow. I think she's Brent Rivera.
That guy is much.
Yeah, Brent is amazing.
They might not allow you. See, there's water.
Yes, what is this?
Shut up. There's no water.
The better the water. Oh wow, so much water. What is this? Wow. See the water?
Yeah, come.
How do you go down there?
Jump.
Seriously?
Yeah.
He came here?
There.
Not clean, but cold. Come. This side you have to go, bro.
Fishes are there. See, this fish, no, they eat the dead cells.
Yeah, you
from
can
the-
have a manicure or pedicure.
Didi, come. Didi, you can put your leg in the
Ew, the water is so dirty.
water. It's not dirty. The water is meant to be.
Drink water look like that.
Seriously? Oh my god.
Give your hand.
You get on, I'll try.
Slowly.
Slowly, you'll fall.
If you slip once, you directly make a slide and fall into the water.
Water.
No,
Then
take my
you
bag.
go to Froggy Land.
You
Oh
give
my
your
God.
phone. You vlog later.
We can vlog her.
Yeah, I can vlog you, no. So smart, bro, yeah. Wait, stay there only. I'll vlog you.
It's on.
Yeah, I know.
So many fishes.
Yes.
Really? Sea leeches are there or what?
It's not a sea.
No, really.
Sea leeches.
Not sea leeches, leeches.
You're so dumb, Ray.
Leech.
No,
They
leeches
bite.
don't grow in Goa.
You want to go in the water? Go. Arey, what is the season to come here?
Rainy. Be careful, huh?
Ah, it's a frog.
There's a frog in that water. You want to swim in this?
There was snakes last time.
Ee God, Saksham, it's dangerous, yeah.
Come, what is wrong with you?
It's really dirty. We cannot even put our leg in that.
Dirty, that frog was.
What
Looks
is
so dirty.
You might throw my bag, Saksham.
No.
Catch it properly.
When we came,
You.
it was so beautiful. All water was falling from here.
Now there's a pipe also for water or what?
Yeah, they feel it, I think. Just smell what is it smells like.
What
I hate frogs, I hate frogs, I hate frogs.
Go in the water, let's see. Where is the short pants?
It's so dirty, she.
You were like, we'll have manicure and pedicure here.
Scared. When this thing? Okay, come, we'll go
Should we
in
go
front.
there inside?
Yeah, there might be water in front. So over here, all there was water when we came. All here.
Didi, you come during rainy season again.
Oh, rainy
No, you
season.
can find one more on Google. Search waterfalls in Verna, which are active.
Is there network here?
I don't think so. Any
Yeah, what
waterfall will be
network you
active
get
here. Oh God.
No network also.
No snakes, God, please, no snakes, no snakes, no snakes. You know, last time when we were walking, we found one snake. And it says, sure.
You are not a snake, bro. You are the best in Goa.
So scary. There are dogs. Come, we'll just
Let's
because my
go
last dose is still left.
He got bit by a dog.
Even I got when I was very young, very small.
Even I'm very young. Wait, let me see. I have net. So very
Yeah,
dirty.
get water. You have water, no? Where we go? Tell.
Oh, you tell.
We go to some beach. Which beach you know? There is beach in Verna. Yeah, no? There is Verna
We
beach.
lost Dairon.
There is Verna
We
beach.
could go to a swimming pool.
We go to Verna beach. Come.
Okay, come.
Now?
Yeah.
Is it nearby?
Yeah, we are in Verna. Is it all right, huh?
Fine.
This place was so dirty.
You know what we were deciding? Dada? You know that Agonda beach?
That is very far on.
But you know that beach?
Keep quiet, keep quiet.
Arey, listen, I'm telling you.
Yeah, with the stones.
Yeah. So then, yesterday we were deciding that we'll go there.
Your cousin has license.
Yeah, I have.
Shut up, please. We didn't drink last time. We only came for the vibe.
So, bro, oh, last time we were drinking. So before that.
And did
Oh my god. I'm back.
Good, huh?
Yeah, she looks nice. Last time when there was water here, I and Jinal slid it from here.
Wow.
It was so fun. Only she banged her head on the stone.
Gina is so bad. She's not talking to me.
So she became bad.
Bad. What is that?
On her.
Bad, good. Why do you talk like that?
So cultural people make this.
You only made that.
Shut up, I don't eat tikki chatachi. Now we have to walk to our bikes. Okay, now Google if you're getting internet.
For the video.
Mm.
Gina, she became famous. She came to
Yeah, those
yeah,
gay
she sent-
couple.
Yeah, she sent me the already.
God knows what he was
Then
doing.
Aisha is so not funny. Huh?
He's not even this that famous. I mean, he's very famous.
He's famous, not that famous. He's famous.
He's not famous like
He's famous
Donald
because of
Trump
his
and all.
ex-girlfriend.
Donald Trump. How could he be so famous?
Okay, Aqua Falls. Aqua Falls is there.
Where is that?
This is only Aqua Falls,
This is
right?
Aqua Falls.
Oh shit, yeah, yes. Aqua, there's no Aqua. Really bad about fraud.
Frogs are there.
Kesarwal is there. Kesarwal will be
Where
good.
is that? You know, man, this is like summer season.
Kavelo Singh.
Check Verna Beach.
I think I'll definitely.
Did you take him in your vlog?
That's a. Oh my god, all sand is in my shoes.
You have to buy sandals.
Aye.
I told you, no?
Yeah,
Only one.
this is too old, yeah.
You don't have slippers. I have 4 slippers pairs, I think. But all are broken. Today I got this broken one. Put inside, yeah, yes.
God, I'm literally drowning inside. Oh my god.
Let's just go and start heading back.
Yeah, Saksham came for that only.
If it's hot, tell me. That means
Front part is all filled with sand.
If the water is hot, that means a whale made cooking in it.
Chee! Anything you speak.
You like eating kaju?
Yeah, not much. Ah, yeah.
Let's catch you with the which one?
Not a
The tree one.
the fruit. Not a
No, I have never had that one then.
You should have something in your life. They're very
Life. Oh god.
This scenery is so aesthetic.
Is it?
You can put hashtag Goa lovers.
Wow, I can see the water. I can't run, yeah. They hurt. Wow. Wow. So beautiful. Wow, I love it. Here I can walk. This is sad. Saksham, can we do that?
What?
What he's doing?
Baba, no, they save their people.
Don't. If you fall in the water, they won't even get up to collect
Yeah,
you.
they're saving people.
They'll say, oh,
You on bike only, you ride so slow. They have to ride fast.
that auntie. So I told you this beach is very vulgar.
They're collecting fishes or what? Where?
No, they are collecting kachra.
There, that.
Yeah, come, we'll go to see if we get something. But if we should drink,
Do we get starfish and all of those?
yeah, starfish you get, yes, starfish you get.
Oh my god.
Those are tide breakers. Because in rainy season the water comes in here.
Yeah.
You don't know what happened that day.
You never go on the beach?
No, we stay in Belgaum, so there is no beach there.
Belgaum there's no beach there.
What? There are no beaches.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, just because you are cool.
If I stay in Goa, every day I would come to a new
You know,
beach.
she wants to get married to someone who stay in Goa.
Not
Yeah,
exactly.
Modi. What?
Guess.
21.
Say it.
I'm 22.
Oh, that means you can drink.
She doesn't drink. Yesterday
No.
she tried Breezer for the first time. She said it's very
Ah.
bitter.
Duh.
You have to put some honey in it.
Look at the bird. Honey in that? We're supposed to put honey.
Yeah.
It has such tall legs.
I think it heard what you said. Your slippers. Come, we'll go to Hebbath now.
Look at that.
Can you keep my phone in your bag
Yeah.
and my key?
Oh my god, I love it. Come,
Don't take my
come.
long legs.
Oh god. So fun.
Good appeal. Shut up. I don't know what
Kids,
cool
kids.
Kannadians do. Sorry.
Cool Canadians, what is that?
How many subscribers do you have?
I'm totally wet.
Don't worry, I'll subscribe. Then you should also subscribe to my Instagram account.
Subscribe me, follow Instagram.
Sorry.
What are you guys doing?
Menstrual cup.
That day what he did.
You know
Oh.
what a Red Cross camp? You know what is Red Cross, no?
No.
It's a camp.
It's a camp.
Huh?
CC.
Oh, okay.
So one boy was there, and his name was Benster. We had gone for a trek, huh?
Then
We had eaten so much bhaji, okay? for the trek. And then no, for the trek he made caca in his pant.
And then he left the
He kept the pant open on the table.
Chee!
With his shit.
Ew! Wasn't he embarrassed? Like everybody will see.
No, he took the underwear and threw it out
Yeah,
of the
he
window.
threw it out of the window.
The
Seriously?
shit underwear.
He go to the underwear pair of someone's face, no?
Done.
Yeah, recording, no?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll play that game.
We should not?
No, I'll play it now.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, if you apply, no, this sand is good.
See,
It becomes white.
Is it?
Because of that, even after when we go with public,
It'll become more white.
never mind, you don't see. You become more white. You will become like the moon.
Anything.
Okay, we're touching the pretty fast. We'll do that low cholesterol dance.
yeah, no?
What is that low cholesterol dance? What is that?
You don't watch reels?
No, I'm not. I that's so cute. What are you guys doing?
Monday today, I will tell you.
What?
You eat on Monday?
Yeah, I eat every day. Not a problem. Okay.
Every day, everyone is.
I got something. I got something.
Aww, cute nail. That is someone's nail, yeah.
No, it's not a nail. Look at it.
It is a nail.
No, Saksham, it's not a
It
nail.
is a nail.
It's the shape is like nail. It's like
Now,
you.
where's the hammer? I think you should have bath now because everyone has bath now.
But I'm not gonna have bath. I just bath about it.
Did he go in the water?
No, mama, my panty will become wet.
Look at this.
What? Yeah, will do something, no? Do hi.
Hi, 200k followers.
I don't have 100k. What are you guys doing?
Did he take a photo?
Take
Yeah.
a nice one in which I can't fail.
No, go behind and take.
I'm making a video now.
Don't take video. Don't take video.
Shells.
Naren, I'll put.
That's the way we find shells. I thought you're washing clothes.
No clothes I wash only on Sundays and Saturdays. It's not meaningful, guys.
Find another crab for me. I want to see how it looks.
Just because beach crab.
No, I want to see it real now. I just think like recording the sound of the beach so that whenever I'm home I can listen to it. It's so peaceful now. Wanna hear it? Shell? Wow, this is so nice. God, look at that.
We see it every day, like.
Wow, this is so beautiful. I love it.
There's a crab coming
There's
out.
something coming out of it.
That is a.
Section C. Is it safe to hold?
No,
Ah,
we come
it
to know in some
feels
time.
hot. It feels hot. I want this shell, but I don't want to make it homeless. What do I do? Everybody deserves to have their own house. I don't have my own house. At least this can have its own house now. Go live your life. I am sacrificing my whatever
Wait,
it
you can
is.
remove it from that.
No, it's
shell.
okay. Let it go. It's home. Don't make fun of me. It's actually warm holding, you know. I just left it. It's here. See?
I think this is their father.
Yeah. Father?
Now we'll make their marriage.
Ew.
Father is getting married to the daughter. What is this?
Oh.
It's okay, leave them. I want them, but it's okay, let them
Okay,
survive. Don't.
Let's try eating it.
Yeah.
Ew. It went? Let it go. Let it go. Here also there's small one. This small. These are fine to collect.
What is that? Nails there.
Hey, it broke also.
So near.
Eee.
Don't ray boy.
Saksham, yeah, please leave. Let
What
them
if someone would
survive.
remove us from our house like that?
Yeah, no, it feels bad.
Mama, my friend.
Your nail, you got another one in hand?
Yeah. There are like
Yes.
thousands. You just
I just hope I get one empty one.
let's see another one.
Let's make it empty, bro.
You're getting so many.
I used to work on the beach first.
Really?
Yeah, when I was young.
You're 16, right? How
Oh, I'm 60.
how young you would be to work?
When I was 4 years old.
Child labor?
If you want, I can take you in my field, but there are many pythons there.
Pythons?
I finished. Now I only have to go to remove the grass.
I think I can collect these. Come in the hand, yeah. I can collect these, right? I'm so kind. Yeah, I can collect these. I'm so kind now. I don't know what it is.
Plastic
What? That is someone's
It's not plastic. It's a part of shell. It's
that is someone's
broken.
broken teeth, I
take
think.
this. This
Teeth?
is dead.
Yeah.
No, 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 it's
Put them in
okay.
your aquarium.
Hey!
Put them in your aquarium.
Ew, I'm afraid to catch them as well because what if I'm allergic to them?
Don't worry, girl.
There's another one. She's so small. Wait, I'm getting small shells. Hey, these are so cute. Look at them.
See, so many are there, small shells. And I'm putting just see.
Look at these. They're so cute.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, take
They're really cute. They're colorful. Wow, what is this? These are too big. These are ugly, yeah.
Don't Don't judge a big bite cover. Open it.
I'm not judging. Oh God. Let them just wash it. Yeah, I got 3, 4. And they're all different colors. Look at them. One is purple, yellow, grey and blue.
Wow, cool.
Nice, no?
Yup.
At the top. So you don't use phone after going home. But they don't be at home.
They be. I think you need to hire a camera.
Yeah, I need to.
Don't worry, you can make a boyfriend after you get married. Cut.
My friend is so nice. Did he take fish?
Hey, enough. So much about it.
I thought you were a foodie.
Not exactly foodie. What is that?
That is so chubby.
W.
Sorry. You can make your video.
God. I'll have to delete that now.
You are like a friend, you know, Svetlana.
Yeah, we are like a friend, Lala, but we believe.
Who is that?
She's like such a
No, she's Gandhi, you're not.
What does that Gati mean? Gati? What did you say?
Ganti.
Ganti. Ew, what words do you use, man?
If you hear other.
Sweets yellow. Beda. See how it is, Saksha?
It's nice, it's very nice.
Appreciate
Oh
good.
my god, it's so nice.
Nice, no?
Yeah.
Chanj, you see how it is?
Very nice. Oh my god.
Is it good?
Oh my god.
It's not too like. How is this? Hey, it's not live.
I saw this also actually.
Primari's gift. One more thing, I have bracelet also. She gave me a bracelet also. You guys should become like, oh my god, so beautiful. Wow, I
Yes.
love it. You should say like that. You should appreciate it. If a girl shows something, you should appreciate. Yes, now? Section.
You are ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. How many 6 a day?
Today I said 4. So mommy went so I did
See. You're looking cute. Your hair is like that. Side. Really?
Your phone is so big.
You might throw. Yeah. ತೊಳಗ ಹೊಂಟೈತೆ ಕಾಲೆಲ್ಲ Wow, look at that. Bisalwala. Oh my god, it's so hot. The sand is so hot. Let me just go there. I love beaches. Yay! Yay! You want to go inside the beach? The wave is coming. Prema Didi. Saksham. Shrohan. I'm coming now. See, you should tie now. Not put it like this. No.
What is
Take it like this from back. Wait, give here. You're looking so cute. Hey, why you get angry?
door band karna?
Papa Bhagnar.
What is this?
I was wearing it yesterday. It's the same. But why are you wearing like this? It should come like this. Ha.
I don't have anything.
Oh God.
Doing this.
No, you sleep like that. Then your dad will like, who is this? Okay. You folded and kept it in your clothes. Oh my God, the lights are off.
Oh my god, you're getting scared.
Yes, I am.
Haunted story.
They are like tourists, but given the fees. They cannot say anything not to us.
No, it's damn dirty, Saksham.
Cold?
It's cold? No, it's because due to sun it is not cold, I guess. There.
They'll throw us out, they'll do shoo-shoo.
You can sit here for some time and shut up.
Mama.
No, Are, don't. So cold it is.
This is not cold. We have 8 minutes to ride now. Come fast. Lucas.
Waterfall here. There's a secret waterfall here.
Lennon, come no. That is all there. Is there dirty
You have also
water?
seen so much
They
water.
wash clothes with that. You know that.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Is it?
Surf excel is fallen.
I miss my village now. Shut up, that and this place is the same, I think.
So beautiful, guys.
How many minutes?
9 minutes.
I saw it.
So beautiful.
There.
Not. I saw it behind.
Ew, all the dust is on the face.
Okay, this side is so beautiful. Didi?
Look at the sun. Sun is gonna set here then.
Sunset.
But the dust is like
Yeah, because that guy, look at that guy.
cheap.
Let him go. Didi, I like this.
No?
Didi, you like it, no?
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, this is so beautiful. Sunset place it is. But your mom is calling earlier. or what?
No, she asked me if it is.
Hmm.
No problem.
Hmm.
Didi?
Nice notice.
This is so nice. We have to go there.
Then we should make video like her.
You will take video of this.
Yeah, I'm taking. Yeah.
Didi, see, we came at proper time. Before 6, you have to reach there because 6 o'clock sunset. And you have to take nice video and send me so that I can take story and make picture there. It's the same thing, but this is the bigger one. We can go bigger.
Oh, it's really damn cute, yeah.
So cool, bro. That is so nice. Can I jump?
Tell me before you jump. I'm gonna make a video of you drowning. Don't jump. I'm saying I don't know. I'm not sure if it is safe. Don't jump. Just put your legs and just try to walk inside.
Slowly. There are no snakes in there.
The ducks.
Great. We said ducks.
Quack, 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 quack.
Your legs.
Oh,
My legs would never reach there.
It's okay, you can reach your whole body.
this is so dirty.
Cool.
I think we should go in the water, bro.
If I leave my hands, I'll directly sleep.
Go to see one snake.
Look at him, he's falling.
These are so sharp. My whole head.
Okay, take video.
Don't have to be so mean, bro.
Oh my god.
You're only my holy bro.
What are you doing?
So we can make a dam here.
You're gonna make a dam there.
Dam.
Okay. No big stone. What is not a stone? What's a stone, bro?
It's clay mud. You know how expensive clay mud is?
I like this thing where you can say anybody hi even if you don't know them and they're like hi back.
We are
Why
recording
would she
that.
say hi?
Yeah.
if you don't know her?
But still,
Why would she say hi?
we don't say like that
Yeah,
in
even she said
Belgium.
hi, no?
Yeah, that's what. That's so kind. I like it. Next time even I'll say hi.
Yeah, even I have to say first.
And they'll be like, do you know me? I'll be like, no, I just said hi.
No, they never ask me.
No, in Belgium they do, that's why.
Yeah, because they are Belga. That is Belga.
Belgaum. They are not Belgaum. Tool.
Sit, man.
We sit on a demo.
Oh my god, I feel like something is coming.
From here, it's like a river.
Baba, my paint is becoming wet. This is so kaka.
You can find gold here, you know.
Yeah, they do that.
Gold.
Chalni thing.
Wow, now you should do a ritual on it.
आंटी तू कैसे हो? बोला नहीं? तू मिंगार होते? तू मिंगार होते?
तुम्ही सदा येताय?
तुम स्विमिंग कर पायता है क्या? बोका उठता नहीं?
अरे इंगा
हाँ ठीक है. Sorry आंटी.
ती उठता.
आंटी है उधर बरे हैं तोंडे ऐसे. तोंडे हाँ बरे.
आंटी हे हुन सुद्धा येते हैं.
ते हुई चुका आंटी. हाँ ते क्लीन नहीं तो. तो ते क्लीन दिसता ते सैडी.
ओए ते काढे.
ते फिल्टर को नहीं घेता.
Hey, the sun already set.
Oh my god.
Let it stand, sun stand. Bye auntie.
And only your bike is making that dirt. Our bike is not making.
So stay away from us. Hey, don't make dust. Slow.
What's the animal?
The reptile.
Reptilia.
Anyone gave me the reptile?
Egg. Yeah, it is egg. How could she not call me?
Forget it. It's okay then.
You're not supposed to remove it. You don't know?
This is a Goan.
Oh, so? Okay.
I don't know how to eat. That's why my parents never take me out.
He only said.
He said 900.
Are you know?
Take your.
Like fishes. After so many days, I'm seeing fishes. Especially in Goa. What happened? It's full? It's full? Why are you making your face like that? Oh god. Push. Let's see. There might be some space. There's no AC.
We will order chicken steak,
Okay.
prawns wafers you want to try? That's for later. That's called main course. For starters.
What if starters only your stomach gets filled?
Don't worry bro. Don't worry. See.
That's so cute, the
Yeah,
bro.
boy. What do you want? Crunchy chicken?
I don't like chicken much.
I like, so I'm eating.
I like fish.
You're my excuse to order more so that I can eat it.
Oh, chalu. Chutney है ना इसके साथ. Chutney नहीं मिले. First time I'm eating this. What is this you said?
Squid butter.
Squid butter. What? Why are you so embarrassed about me, Saksham? It's okay. I'm going to go tomorrow. I'll not be staying here. So what? It's their eyes. Let them look now. It's like prawns only.
It's more chewy.
It's chewy, crunchy also is nice. How does this look, you know? That is how it looks. In real. Papadi tarsan. Seriously? And these are made out of prawns. Yeah, it tastes like fish. Maybe just the oil is of fish. papdi ada. This is prawns wafers. Papdi ada papdi antaru that papdi wafers.
People are looking.
You are embarrassed of me, Saksham, because I act crazy. Order what you feel like ordering. I don't know. Okay.
Best selling right now is the Valencia Orange Peach Refresher.
Cookies
Kunafa pastry.
Pastry. Kunafa pastry.
Option is very simple.
should come with it, but it's very
But you need money to come. You need a partner like me, Saksham. This is tiramisu. Tiramisu I want.
Bye.
Is it here only come? Here. Nice. Tiramisu. How's it? No, like it, it's coffee flair. The same way I felt when I drank your protein. That's why I ordered even this for you. You want to taste this? This is good now. Wow. Wow, ಎಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಹೌದು ಓಪನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒನಮಿದ್ ನಿನಗೆ ಪ್ರೇಮದಿ ಕಟ್ಟ ಏ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏ ಕಾಜು ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ ಕಾಜು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ನನಗೆ ಶೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರೇಮ ದೀದಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ನಿ ನಾ ಓ ನಾಮ್ ಸಂಶ್ ಯೇ ಸಕ್ಷಮಣ ये
दिखता है वो टोपी बेस्ट लग रही है एकदम मस्त दोनों
Saksham, your favorite.
चला निकाल से लोगों को फ्राई करके देंगे
ಏನು ಲೈಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಯ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಏನವ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡವ ನೋಡುನು ಐ ಐ ಐ ಗುಡ್ ಗುಡ್ Ding 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 hey Come, let's go.
Yeah.